Today we will be showcasing CogniSync, our all-in-one GUI for EEG recording, processing, and modeling. Unfortunately, we didn't have our microphone enabled when screen recording this, so I'll just be talking through it. But to start, we are going to put in movement inputs, how many movements we want to use, and an output file name. And also, just for this demo, we're going to do only one iteration of each movement instead of the 30 or 40 you can usually do. And all of these values have fail-safe inputs. So as you'll see, it'll start the stream with the headset, and then it'll present the first movement after a rest counter. And then it'll do another rest, and then the next movement. And we have basically configured this so that you can enter your own movements, however many you want, and however many trials of each movement you want to do for your own data recording. And it'll all be done automatically. For the rest of the video, we'll be using a 30 iteration movement data set with the same movements as before. And to show off the first page, we have plot EEG, which you can plot just all 8 electrode values over any range of intervals you want. And this first plot is a plotly plot of all 8 channels with movements as vertical dash bars. As well, we can do just the 3 alpha values. And lastly, we can show all 11 data values of alpha and 8 channels. This can help the user first identify the movements by themselves before they go to modeling. Now we have the modeling page, which we have LDA, SVC, random forest classifiers, a whole bunch of models. So far we've mainly used LDA and PyTorch. Those have been the most effective. And as you can see, a label file and output file name is not needed because we have fail-safes. Additionally, you can select if you want both alpha and electrodes or one or the other. And once we run this file, it'll save the model to our models file. Then we can go to Snake Game and upload the model. You can play it with keyboard by yourself, or you can upload a model. Select those same values as you did when modeling on the data, and then you can select the model and play with predictions. In the bottom of the terminal, we can see it connect, and then it should start making predictions, and we'll see the box go up to the top because 0 is currently mapped to the up arrow. and as we can see, we can only move it left and right currently. We additionally have the USB output, which is meant for our robotic wheelchair we've made, which I'll show in the screen here. In the GUI, we have both button controls for manual control, or the same setup as the snake game for uploading your model, choosing the model variables for electrode and alpha values, and as well as starting the predictions. Unfortunately, our models aren't yet accurate enough to actually output correct controls, but we're still working on improving those, and this GUI should create that ease of access. Thank you guys for watching.